Every decade or so, there's a group of people that come up and say, now is the time that either AI or deep learning or machine learning or whatever term you want to use, now is the time for this technology. And often, over the decades, these people are proven wrong. I think it is the time, so I'll take that risk, and here's why. There have been incredible improvements in the way that algorithms have been developed, in the way not only the math behind algorithms, but computationally how they perform. This is just some software learning this game, exactly like a child. Learning in the same exact way through trial and error, through recognizing patterns, and then more importantly, through optimizing. If you start to think about that across hundreds, thousands, millions of sensors deployed in any sort of situation, manufacturing, telecom, hospital, and then when those sensors start teaching each other, speeding up the process of maximizing and optimizing some objective function. This has been around for a few years. What's going to be different about this experiment is when it is applied to sensors, connected sensors, environments which are connected to sensors, and then the edge component of analytics where these sensors are learning and communicating. That is not far-fetched. In fact, that is happening already. I'm telling you, we're building Skynet.
Yes. Most of the companies just develop their product and then they think about security later on. If they get hacked, if they have a problem, then okay, maybe it's time to think about security. But that's too late. It's too late because in that case, security becomes just a patch. And then you get hacked as well again, and then you patch over the patch. And you patch over the patch over the patch, and so on. And that's not what is security about. Security should be done by design. This is something that IoT manufacturers should do from the very beginning. All those devices that we have nowadays that are connected to the internet and which there is almost no security at all. The disaster we have nowadays with IoT devices is because either there is no security at all in the devices or there is some sort of security but it's extremely weak. I always say that security is still a kind of art and not really a science yet.